If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, did quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and oh, man. Still pulling up, no messing. 6-7 my brothers, spare no one for my brethrens. Bitches be loving the gang. They see it all over my mentions. Put things in the car, let's lurk. We ain't looking for normal pedestrians. How you gonna do man dirty? Got things and things that were lurky. Get bricks and bricks from the plug. Cause you know that my team's 30. Aye, how you gonna do man dirty? Get things and things that were lurky. Get bricks and bricks from the plug. Cause you know that my team's 30. All of that, all of that, all of that. Life calling my gun. Fuck with the 6 get burned. No point trying to run. M got the Mac and it sound like a drum. 25 shot. Alright, bro. I'm going to keep singing and I'm not going to end up doing the video, so I gotta stop. First to the face I hear the voice, so you don't know say a kogency, but a kogency rocks channel. And today we have LD67 first day out. Okay. Alright, first of all, you know what I'm saying, I had to switch up the drip real quick, you know what I'm saying, you don't know. You can't watch me, bro. I switch up the drip too often, you know what I'm saying. You never know what I'm gonna wear in these videos, bro. But yo, Godfather is back, dog. I've been telling y'all niggas, man, every time I listen to Dope Smoke or Silent or something on the channel or 6-7 on the channel, I let y'all niggas know when the Godfather jump out, it's gonna be a madness. It's gonna be a mad thing, dog. So you can already tell, bro. I'm excited, fam. I'm ready. I don't want to talk too long, dog. I just want to jump in the reaction, bro. Swear to God. If you don't know about LD, you probably shouldn't even be listening to Jill or watching my channel, bro. No cap. You understand? Or if you don't know about the Godfather. What? Still pulling up, no messing. Bro, yeah. Alright, I'm going to stop. But yo, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, dog. And I could just see what I go on with LD, bro. Because, bam, man get wham. Well, not super wham, but him get put on a little muscle. And then the man dreads reach all the way down to him ankle, dog. Like, bro, I know the music we're going to get from LD now. Mad thing, fam. Might even get some music from Scribs. Alright, but yeah, hit that like or dislike button and jump in the comments. Is it?
I thank God. I thank God for your life.
Oh, thank you, ma. Ma, you know, I'm back, baby. Hey, listen, mum.
Am I your baby?
You're my love of my, you're the love of my life forever. Forever. Ma, I want to say so much, but we'll talk properly later. I read my Psalms though, Psalm 35 and Psalm 91 as I woke this morning.
Yeah, man.
You always do.
Psalm 95, man.
First thing is to pray.
Ah, no, man. Watch that. Yeah. Bro, can tell you know that man him did miss him, you know that. The roads did miss, more roads. Drill did miss LD still, dog. Drill did miss LD. Well, I did miss LD still.
Oh, what? Oh, I'll speak to you later then, yeah? Alright then. Okay, love you.
Alright. Love you, son. Love you.
Love you,
no.
Alright then.
The Marge, man. Fresh home, man, I for call up mommy, man. That must be a weird feeling, dog. Cause it's like you kind of feel happy for you say your day home, but you kind of sad say you have to put your mom through all of that, you know? But let's see. Aliyah Hassan Creative Studios. Alright, my God.
You are now listening to Young Cheng.
Tell you, bro, the man get warm, fam. Look at, bro. Man look like a bodybuilder, bro. Young Cheng, show and prove.
First day out of prison. It was 4 double R's. It used to be 4 fours and the 4 doors with the kitchen.
4 double R's, man. Yeah, bro. The man them pick him up presidential style, Rolls Royce, everything. The buckles are everything, man. Real Godfather style. Godfather, talk again.
First day out of prison. It was 4 double R's. It used to be 4 fours and the 4 doors with the kitchen. And what the game's been missing.
Yes.
Can't try water my sound without my permission. Whistle. Listen. I came home, who's at it again? M.A. do rolled and skeng. Done a few bootings with them. 3-2 back in a stem. Rise that, then step on them. Shooters from way back when. True shit, just showdown shows I see different money. Told the world I fuck different honeys. It's a contact sport where you touch the other side, but this is different rugby. 8 years in the field, I play the whole thing, not one of them pricks can sub me. I just need me a bitch to love me. Loyalty tied to the six, she trust me. Listen, the only drill that you do is the genre. Actor, how you ain't win you an Oscar? Bro, put one and not rubbed out there, didn't need them a doctor.
Man said the only drill you done is the genre, bro. Aye, man. I've read some comments before they saying he's exposing the industry plants and the man them that ain't really on it, man. But like, fam, it gone too bad already, bro. Drill, it done gone too bad already, fam. You can't stop it now.
Genre, actor, how you ain't win.
You know what I'm saying? The niggas who ain't really drilling, they gone way too far in the thing, you know what I'm saying? But anyway.
Tied to the six, she trust me. Listen. The only drill that you do is the genre. Actor, how you ain't win you an Oscar? Bro, put one and not rubbed out there, didn't need them a doctor. Let that old school shooter, Didier dropper, make that beat like 8 Mellow or Mazza.
What? Old school shooter, Didier Drogba, let that beat like 8 Mellow. Aye, man. Run!
Put one and not rubbed out there, didn't need them a doctor. Let that old school shooter,
Didier Drogba,
make that beat like 8 Mellow or Mazza. First day out.
Oh, Mellow, oh, Mazza, oh, gotcha, bro. Alright, man. Yes. Come on.
Rubbed out there, didn't need them a doctor. Let that old school shooter,
Didier Drogba,
make that beat like 8 Mellow or Mazza. First day out of prison, it was 4 double R's. It used to be 4 fours in the 4 doors with a kitchen. And what the game's been missing. How you industry plant shy water my sound without my permission? Whistle. Listen, it's been 2 years and a bit and they still couldn't touch my throne. See, Red came home, more back rolls and poles and Len ones giving us stones. I was 15 in school with a whack, few years later, stone. Broken niggas from broken home, don't talk about rats cause I went on loads, trust me. Had the man them pulling me dizzy, Roscoe pulled up and done that boy in the corner. Have faith in my kitchen ying, then I spread that flesh like flora. Most of this 5 years in a row and MA and PB shared top scorer. You ain't never done you a drill, then went home and put your dick in a bad man's door. But forget,
bro. Ain't no way I'm just gonna let him spit like that, bro. Don't pull it up. You're mad. That offer pull up, bro. No joke. Everything, not everything. Not right, or so.
and what the game's been missing. How you industry plant shy water my sound without my permission? Whistle. Listen, it's been 2 years and a bit and they still couldn't touch my throne. See, Red came home, more back rolls and poles and Len ones giving us stones. I was 15 in school with a whack, few years later, stone. Broken niggas from broken home, don't talk about rats cause I went on loads, trust me. Had the man them pulling me dizzy, Roscoe pulled up and done that boy in the corner. Have faith in my kitchen ying, then I spread that flesh like flora. Most of this
spread that flesh like flora?
and done that boy in the corner. Have faith in my kitchen ying, then I spread that flesh like flora. Most assists 5 years in a row and MA and PB shared top scorer.
Most assists 5 years in a row and PR and MA share top scorer. Bro, fam, feel like them money have like a real statistic sheet, you know, dog, where the man them write down, you know, bro. I swear to you. Because how them money just keep track of all of them points. From LD keep track of him assists. I not even know some man did keep track of them assists, bro. No, man. Oh, the blood. No, sir. Dog, that's mad. Well, error. Anyway, continue.
Later, don't broken niggas from broken home. Don't talk about rats cause I went on loads. Trust me, had the man them pulling me dizzy. Roscoe pulled up and done that boy in the corner. Have faith in my kitchen ying, then I spread that flesh like flora. Most assists 5 years in a row and MA and PB shared top scorer. You ain't never done you a drill, then went home and put your dick in a bad man's door. But forget that, say my name and regret that. 25 shots, I spread that. I showed that.
Bro, from the start of the song, 25 shot. Bro, from live corner, man, I tell you about 25 shot, dog. It's 2021, bro. The 25 shot ain't going nowhere, fam. Staying right here, bro, with the Godfather.
Bad man's door, but forget that. Say my name and regret that. 25 shots, I spread that. I showed that the ups and I showed on a show. Tilt your hat and respect that. Don't start off drawing like.
Alright, no problem, bro. I'll tip my hat and respect that, bro. Alright, man. You shell those shows and you shell on the ups, fam. Alright, no word. No problem.
Spread that. I showed that the ups and I showed on a show. Tilt your hat and respect that. Don't start off drawing, I kept on drilling. Tilt your hat and respect that. If labels wanna talk deals no less than a mil, and I might just accept that. First day out of prison, it was for.
Alright, LD, but you might have to stop drilling, bro, because we can't deal with another 2 years in the pen, fam. No joke, fam. You make too many too many guys coming to the drill space, bro. You know what I'm saying? Now that you're here, we don't say a lot of these guys can't stay anymore. But just don't go to jail for 2 years again, bro.
I had and respect that. Done started off drawing, I kept on drilling. Tilt your hat and respect that. If labels wanna talk deals no less than $1 million, I might just accept that. First day out of prison, it was 4 double R's. It used to be 4 fours in the 4 doors with the kitchen. And what the game's been missing. How your industry plants try water my sound without my permission. Whistle, listen.
You guys got fat while everybody starved on the street. It's my turn.
It's my turn. It is. It's his turn now, man. No joke. Yo. Life code of a god. Aye. Fuck with this man. Aye. Listen, man. First day out. Man, dog, I want him drop a mixtape by tomorrow, bro. I swear, dog. I feel like just one song is just not enough, bro. Nah, man. But anyway, you know I'm gonna drop one heap of song. So let's just wait on it. But let me know what you think about this in the comments. Hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, reply to all the comments. I don't know, kogency, rock. Shout out. I love this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Can't wait the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.